Narendra Modi has yesterday visited 3 laboratories making the infection vaccine on 28 November, one of which was in Ahmedabad, the second one was in Hyderabad, and the third was in Pune, Maharashtra. The most discussed was the Serum Laboratory of Pune. The Serum company has informed that our trial is now in the final stage and we are going to apply for emergency use soon. Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself has said in a tweet that he had a good discussion with Serum Institute. They informed him about the work done so far to make the vaccine. PM also told about future plans. PM also reviewed the facility of making vaccines. But now the news is coming that there is a lot of chaos in the Serum Institute vaccine and the chaos is so big that the company has lost its senses. The trial of COVID vaccine was going on in Chennai. Covishield is the name of corona vaccine made by Serum Institute. The Serum company was trying the vaccine with the permission of the government on all volunteers. Volunteers on whom it was being tried, one of them has given car state to the government as the vaccine company claimed that after taking the Serum vaccine, his brain condition became weak. According to a report, a 40-year-old volunteer who was vaccinated during a trial in Chennai has alleged that he has started having neurological problems, that is, brain problems, after taking the vaccine dose. His memory started weakening and many other problems started. In return, the volunteer has demanded a compensation of rupees 5 crore from the Serum Institute. The Serum Institute Pune is the same place where Modi went to take stock of vaccine production. Volunteer has sent legal notices to Serum Institute along with Indian Institute of Medical Research Council, UK AstraZeneca Drug Controller India, Oxford Vaccine Trial Chief Investigator Ander Pollard and other institutions. The charges have been levelled on 21st November and Modi visited the institute on 28 November. Surprisingly, even after such serious allegations, PM Modi visited the company, whereas the company should have informed the government immediately about the effect of the vaccine, including the Serum company under the trial rules. Volunteers lawyer NGR Prasad says that even after issuing notice on November 21st, no response has been given yet. Volunteer in his legal notice has also demanded that the vaccine trial be stopped immediately, but no action has been taken so far by the Modi government. To ignore volunteers' allegations would be to mess with the lives of crores of people.